Okay, good morning. This is Wednesday morning, and this is College Prep Statistics, Period B. I thought I would review some of the things we went over and the assignment if there's any confusion. Let's start with what we're talking about. We're talking about quantitative distributions, and the first one we're working on is histograms. So I gave you an assignment where you would put all your data into your calculator. Hopefully you have one. You can use mine when you're here, but when you're at home, that's going to be difficult. Remember that most of you have iPhones. There's an app where you can use that. It only costs a few dollars. Or I believe that there's a download with your computer, but it's going to be a lot easier with a calculator than without. So getting back to the calculator instructions, you hit the stat key. Hit the stat key right there, stat key, and then hit enter, and that gets you to edit. And then you have these lists. And if there's stuff in your list, you just highlight it and hit clear and enter, and that will clear it out for you. And then you put all the data in. Like we had 3 data sets I wanted you to put in. So you put data set 1 in there. And then to see it as a histogram, you hit second y equals, and you get something like that. And then you hit enter, and you want the histogram, which is the middle option there, histogram. And under X list, you want whatever list you're talking about. So if you're in the first list, it would be second 1, which is L1. And then the magic key, zoom 9, and you get something like that. Okay. So what I'm looking for is for you to sketch it, to sketch out the what the histogram looks like. Tell me what the bin width is by hitting window. And under window, it is X scale. So in this case, I've got 9.6. It says for the data I have. I don't know if that's your data or not. I doubt it is. Okay. So we had 3 sets of data. I've posted that. And I gave you a form just for fun. We're moving towards having this count for homework, but this is just, I'm getting used to doing it. I want to make sure it works right first. So you plug in the answers, and I believe you get feedback right then on how you do. If not, we can work on that. I can release it in class. But I want shape. Is it symmetrical? Is it skewed to the left or is it skewed to the right? I want the center. Is it mean or is it median? Mean goes with symmetrical data. Median goes with skewed data. And tell me how you got the answer. You can find the answer and check things by one variable statistic, stat, one variable statistic, stat, calculate one variable statistic. So keep that in mind too. But you need, when we come to quiz or test, you need to be able to show me that you can do it. And then spread, the standard deviation goes with symmetrical data, and the interquartile range goes with skewed data. And why don't I, right now, while I'm thinking of it, give you the formula, if in case I didn't think of that, but if you did not get the formula for standard deviation, there it is right there. S equals the square root of the summation of all the data points y minus the mean squared divided by n minus 1. And then you take the square root of the whole thing. That's the formula for that. That also can be found under one variable statistic. I think that's about it. We've got 3 data sets I wanted you to do, and we'll look those over tomorrow. And if we get through histogram, we will start stem and leaf plots. Okay, hope you have a good day, and we'll see you later.